Have you forgotten your Android phone PIN or pattern lock? What to do in such a situation? How to unlock and access your phone again? If you want to know about this, watch my video completely till the end. So if you're watching my video for today, I'm sure you have forgotten your PIN or the pattern to unlock your Android device. Now, so the first thing is, we are humans. We tend to forget it. But what I would suggest is just stay calm. This is the first thing to do. Just stay calm and try to recollect what the PIN or the pattern was. If you need to close your eyes for a while, please go ahead and do so. If you go to such places where you used to use your phone a lot, maybe on your bed or in the park or near the swimming pool or in a canteen or whatever it is, chances are that you could recollect the PIN or the pattern faster. So when we are panicking as humans, we don't perform well. And when we don't perform well, it means our brains are not functioning properly at the moment to get that answer. And the answer right now we need is the PIN or the pattern. So try to recollect. That's the first thing to do. Now the second method is more of a practical way to get out your PIN. Okay, if you cannot remember it at all, even after 1 or 2 days, get to the phone service center to see if they have a method to unlock your phone without deleting your data. Obviously, I think, you have to verify your identity, provide an invoice or anything. So just be prepared accordingly and put in a request if they could help you. If you had a data recovery software pre-installed on your phone, that's a good thing because you could just go ahead and hard format or reset your phone and then you could back up your data, not a problem. But if you did not have, like a data recovery software set up on your phone, then unfortunately you cannot do anything else. You have to hard format your phone. And later on, after your phone is completely formatted or erased, you have to see if you have a backup with Google. If you had a backup with Google, that's a good thing. You could, sync all your data back, all your applications and everything. Not a problem. But if you did not back up your data on Google also, unfortunately, there's nothing else that you could do. So if you want to perform a hard reset to at least access your phone, if you have no backup also, you could just go ahead and press the volume up or down button along with the power button for some time like this. You're going to get to the recovery mode, select reset or erase, and then it's going to take like 1 to 5 or 6 minutes or whatever, and you're going to get your phone as it was when you got it new. Now, something very important in relation to this topic is that you may just see paid services online. Okay, people may just promise you to unlock your phone for a fee. Please don't go ahead and make a payment to unlock your phone, because if you do so, chances are that you're going to lose your money and never get it back, and your phone is also not going to get unlocked. So if you got some value through my video for today, give it a thumbs up, subscribe and hit the bell notification icon, and do not forget to hype my videos, my friend. Take care.